Oh no, we're running it. Probably gained 2 miles an hour. Had to go full throttle. Did not gain any speed at all. But I came to Springfield today, so we may or may not die. Like that idiot right there. Like, what are you doing, dude? Old man. These people never look. That's what I was just talking about. I just want the light to turn green, man. Come on, cuh. We probably should have took a left right there, because it was green. But I guess it don't matter. Look at that. He ain't got nothing on us, cuh. He ain't got nothing on us. Police. Bro had to get in front of me, and then now he's gonna drive slow. Because you wanted to turn? Dude. Another S10. Bro. There's just a little kid downtown on a scooter, and he's probably not even like 5. Unsupervised. That's crazy. But it's Springfield, so nothing new for this town. Rail in the corner, boys. Bro's on a what? Okay. We can do that too. We can do that better, because we can get speed wobbles and then crash. What the heck? Must be building a bridge. Stop, because we're good. Tried doing a wheelie and we failed miserably, so we're just gonna act like I didn't try to do a wheelie, even though I definitely just tried to do a wheelie. Train present? What the heck? I did that and now I can't see. Alright, yeah, we're good. Come on, cuh. Let's see who's all out here today. We're in the clutch? Check. Drive around the square? Check. Get hit? We'll see. Hopefully not. But you never know. Nothing's going on. Just homeless people living their best life. Chicks. I'm married. So that's a hard pass, cuz. That's a hard pass on that. What are these people doing? We're literally, well, what are we just idling right now? Like, what are you doing? I'm about to pass this car. I'm cruising. Look, we just missed. I'm about to just go right, dude. Hell yeah, brother. We're out of there. These people down here are stupid. Don't hit me. Don't hit me, car. I don't want to be hit. Wow, bro. Like, you guys should totally come over here to Springfield. Like, look at what all is going on right now. Guy walking, another guy walking. What more could you want, honestly? Let me guys know. Let me guys know. Let me know, guys. If this looks interesting to you. Pissed! I just want someone to ride with me. Do I not look good enough? I'm riding around on a girl bike. You figure all the guys will be after me right now. I pick up more guys than I do women because I already got a wife. But even if I didn't have a wife, I would still be picking up more guys. I'm tired of this, Grandpa. Gosh dang. Bro thought he was doing something. Let's see if he lane splits like an idiot. Probably. What was that, a little 250? Yep, bro thinks it's fast. Oh yeah. Yep. Lane split. Let's go to the mall. I want to jump one of the... What are they called? Bro, I can't think of what these things are called. That looks like oh yeah, speed bumps. Alright. My mind's fried right now. I think there's one right here. We're just gonna hit it. Because why not? Oh yeah. We bottomed out the suspension, boys. Well, that was all of them. This is a good wheelie spot. As long as the cops don't see you. One cop sees you, you're done, cuh. You're getting a spanking from the cops. Oh yeah. This Honda likes being bottomed out. Messing around, nothing to do. Speeding in a mall area, check. Random roads, we can't get out through here. Yeah. We can't even get out right there. Dude, why did I go this way? I'm stupid. We could go out right there. No way. We can go through right here. They made this just for bikes. Now where? I guess we'll go right. You guys wouldn't say where to go, so I'm going right. I'm just gonna guess what you guys want me to do. Let's see. Stop sign. See if the car stops. No blinker. Turn right. Woman. How surprising. Not surprising at all. Pizza Hut. Or no. Okay, I don't know how I messed that up. That was incredible pizza though. Pizza Hut's on my mind 24/7 because that's my favorite pizza place, so that's probably why I said that. But that's incredible pizza. Andy's, bro, their ice cream's to kill for. Triple chocolate chunk. No, come on, come on, dude. You see what I'm telling you guys? Every single light, it doesn't matter. It's like 8 out of 10 lights. As soon as they see the Grom, it's like turn red. We don't want him going. We don't need him riding around our town. We got too many of these other bikes in here. Too many other crazy bikes. What is that? Is that a Grom? I think it is. What is that? No way! It's another Grom. Should we turn around? There's another bike right there, cuh. I'm thinking about turning around. Wide open. We ain't going nowhere. But that does give them a chance to turn around. Their Groms did not look as sick as mine, so I won't be surprised if they turn back around to try to get a close-up look at this thing, because it's just so gnarly. Ugh. V6 Ram. Trash. Mini wheelie? Oh yeah. Oh really? Is there a bike coming up behind us? I think there is. Maybe it's another Grom. That'd be sick. I don't think it is though. Maybe it is. He's pulling up next to us. No way. Does he want me to pull over? Maybe. Is there a bike coming up behind us? I think there is. Maybe it's another Grom. That'd be sick. I don't think it is though. Maybe it is. He's pulling up next to us. No way. Does he want me to pull over? This will go right.
Stop cruising?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying. There's supposed to be a. Yeah, there's a Grom. There's supposed to be a Grom meet on the side, but I didn't see him there.
Oh really? You're the only one I've seen out on a Grom so far.
Really?
Yeah.
There's a couple of my buddies out, but I'm trying to find them right now.
Yeah. Another bike. Scooters. Is that a 600? I think it is. Put some respect on our name, cuh. He rolled over it.
I think there's a motorcycle cop behind us.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hopefully not. What are you doing? Just cruising?
I'm just cruising. On Grand Street down there, or Campbell.
Alright. Yeah, I'll just kind of follow you.
Alright. Making sure this motorcycle cop didn't want anything.
Yeah. Cop right there. Good thing we didn't do a wheelie. He's gonna do a stoppie. Maybe not. Oh yeah, he is. We'll do him too.
I love these little things.
That's what I'm saying. I can't find my horn.
Elijah?
Do what?
Is that Elijah?
Hey!
No fucking way.
Dude, what are you doing?
Dude.
This is the one I wore to the dunes.
Yeah?
I just got this a couple weeks ago.
Got that?
Yeah. I can only do slow ones. Oh yeah. Hey bud. You're good. I was just riding with you. Time to go. He burned more clutch than tire. Fellow rider.
Huh? Oh, shoot. I have to turn around. You gotta pull it up.
I don't know.